Hi, good morning, dear friends. Good morning to all of you. I want to say one very important thing. That because of circumstances, I stopped video walking tours till the end of April. One organization who already during 10 years creating unexisting information about the terrorism which never been, be and never will not be in Prидnestrovia country, almost did not destroy my YouTube channel, and that's why by this the only reason till the end of April with any video walking tours stopped. With any video walking tours happened stop. Yes, I right now in current minutes making a black tea. Yes, it's happened bad circumstances. In 1st October I made a video walking tour in Tiraspol city in 1st October. And after I made a walking tour, I received attribution from one organization which calling Merlin Denmark Music Group. And after my twice attempts, apply to their removing it because of 1 minute short music in the end of the video of this walking tour of 1st October. They wrote, YouTuber wrote, if this attribution will not disappear till the 2nd November, we will remove this video. And happened next circumstances. I removed appellation, and straightly I removed asking on removing appellation. And straightly I removed asking that they are removing attribution. I asked this music track. I removed this. I removed this. I removed this music track with this first October walking tour. and automatically attribution disappeared on 20 on Saturday of 30 October. On Saturday, yes, I removed track on the YouTube settings on Friday, and attribution awfully disappeared on Saturday of 29 October, but despite of it, happened the most bad circumstances. By unknown reasons, they removed this video walking tour for 1st October, and on my channel. And in my channel appeared the confirmation for disturbing of our rights. And today, as I can see, this confirmation disappeared. But despite of it, I made a decision. But despite of it, was made decision. That till the end of April will not be any filmings and any walking tours like in Tiraspol city, like and others cities and other places. Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning, friends. It's here. It's here the morning sun. It's here the morning sun, and I drink a black tea. And the one reason because of they tried destroy my YouTube channel in first half of past year, I attributed on another organization who have a connection with this music or with this Maryland, Denmark or group or organization. Yes, I attribute, yes, in the first half of past year, I attributed on one organization who have connection with Merlin Denmark music group, and it's my attribution influenced through Chisinau, because of they during 10 years create information about unexist terrorism in Pridnestrovia, which never be and will not be in Pridnestrovia, and that's why they tried attempt in past year destroy my YouTube channel. That's why, and by this reason still the April will not be of any video walking tours in Tiraspol city and in another cities, and that's why only after 17 April be any video walking tours in Tiraspol city, and after any video walking filming tours I be removing every musical track if appeared any attribution to will not get of any new confirmation on YouTube. Okay, friends, I wish you have a great day. See you. I wish you have a great day. See you.